Why don't you tell us about Evergreen Enhancement?
Evergreen has two major focuses. One focus is we have a new device for measuring silicon and other substrate wafers for the semiconductor industry. We're announcing that we're looking for samples from prospective customers to see that we can match their needs. So it's sort of a try before you buy with our new gauge and our new equipment. We also do specialized engineering to maintain and enhance older products. So they're scientific products that have been made years ago, they're in production lines, they're in various factories, they've been used for years, and slight changes, either changes or they're wearing out, we put parts back, we enhance them, and those are our two basic focuses.
Well, again, why did you get into this whole area?
I had worked for a semiconductor company, and the products that shipped, the company was always focused on the latest and greatest new technology. The products that once shipped would be in place much longer than the latest and greatest technology. Latest technology is probably a year or 2 years of interest and then sort of would trail off. The equipment would be in place for 10 years afterwards. They might be designed, expected to be there for 5 or 6 years, but it'd be likely 10 or 15 years. If you go into most factories, there'll be equipment, if it works, nobody ever changes it. And then suddenly one day, something breaks or something isn't available, some spare part isn't available. And that's when we'd step in to try to fix something to keep it running, keep it functioning more, save the function, make the products keep coming, keep the factory line up and running.
One of the interesting aspects is that in the semiconductor business, there are machines out there producing semiconductor products that just chunk along for years and years and years. Suddenly somebody will leave, or the machine will do something. Quick, find me an engineer that knows something about semiconductors, that knows something about overhauling. What Bill's company has done is not only does he provide the fixes and then the TLC to keep the machines going, but he's been able to give underemployed and unemployed engineers, some of whom are in their 50s, 60s, they're at the top of their career, suddenly they're available to no fault of their own, and he's actually providing jobs.
Were there a lot of startup costs